Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone is having a great Tuesday so far. Um, what are we looking for today? So, I think we got news at 9:45 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. Oh no, 10 a.m. So we got news at 10 a.m. So really, if I'm gonna be realistic, I'm not gonna take anything before 10 a.m. Um, I do think there's a reason for price to, come up here and tap into this daily fair value gap I was talking about yesterday. Um, but we just have to see. We just have to see. But since we got news at 10, your boy is not going to be taking a trade until then. So, um, Loki probably could have started this stream later. Um, but it's all good. But we obviously swept the previous day's low. Um, Nothing really on the higher time frame to really say, you know, we're bouncing off a bullish PD ready to go higher or whatever. Like, there's nothing telling me that. But I'll tell you that this looks good, right? How we swept the previous day's low and now we're, you know, pushing back up to the upside. That looks good. So depending on how the news comes out, if the previous day's high is still in play, I may want to go ahead and target that. But we gotta see, man. People are funny, man. Look at YM, man. We are just waiting, ladies and gentlemen. There's nothing for us to do until 10 a.m. I'm gonna be honest with you. This is looking good though. I low key would want this to go lower, even with the news, so then we can have a chance to, if we are gonna trade higher, give us a better entry. Mm-mm-mm. Low key, probably should have just started the stream at 10, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. news in 7 minutes, bro. We gotta see what this news do in 6 minutes, man. Actually, no, wait. Let's hope this news gives us a good setup and doesn't just ruin the market. I will say I'm no longer trading on like the first trading day of the week anymore. So whether that's going to be a Monday or if sometimes, you know, where we have a holiday on Monday. Sometimes Tuesday is the first day of the trading week. I won't be trading on the first day of the trading week anymore, bro. Um, I just realized, like, with me, I lose more times than not on the first day of the trading week. So I'm just gonna remove it altogether and see if that helps me out. I may see different results, I may not, but we gotta try something different, y'all. News in a minute and a half. Should just full port the news right now, bro. I'm passing or failing right now. All right, here we go. News is here. Let's see. Positive. So negative for the indices, typically. And negative for the indices, typically. We could be selling off, possibly. I mean, you got this, obviously. That fair value gap. We gotta see. Mm, yeah, nothing. Gotta be patient. We'll see what NQ does up in here. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm thinking about just putting like a little bit more risk on. Just because, I mean, with how far we have fallen with this account, it's kind of like, if I'm gonna blow it, I want to go ahead and blow it, so I can just start on something new. Like, not like putting 5 contracts on, but you know, going back to my regular 2 and maybe not being so strict on the 750. I got some lessons out of this combine. Like, every combine I take, I get closer and closer to passing, and I learn new lessons along the way. So, even though, you know, it's not exactly how I want things to go, it's not how I want things to go at all, but I'm learning. I'm learning some new information that I'm going to take into a new combine, a new trading account, you know, and, you know, hopefully do better. You know, I feel like with this combine, I took way too long. Like when I got close to passing, I kind of got super cautious, and that kind of cost me. Because to be honest, guys, this account could have been done 2 months ago. Could have been funded 2 months ago, and yeah, it would have been a done deal. But I got on my head too much with this account. So I definitely got some lessons I can take. We're about to inverse this gap right here. I'm gonna wait for the fair value gap, a bullish one, if we get it. And if we don't come back for it, then oh well. Let's see if we come back for this. This will be a decent trade, I think, from the looks. High ball test. Yeah, we can go in here with 2 contracts, maybe 2 cons. Two cons, maybe. See if it'll let us in. We'll be risking 640 with this. See if it'll let us in. Come on, you know you want to let us in. It's low-key about to create a 1 minute uni low-key. Oh my god. Okay, hang on. Let me look. Yikes. Hang on, folks. I'd rather just wait for it to come down here. Make sure I ain't missing nothing. All right, we got SMT plus SMT on the higher time frame. That's 2 witnesses going against this trade, bro. Did gold have a contract rollover? I'm waiting, y'all. I'm not liking this SMT here. And I will not take a loss because I just had to get in something. But I will say, y'all, if y'all want to fade me, typically the trades I don't pull the trigger on do quite well. So this could be one of them. But I'm not going to pull the trigger on this. If it taps into this, which it just did, I'm good. I need to see a little bit more, man. I really hate this SMT is here, bro. I really do. I truly do. Just tapped OTE of this. So again, this is a 1 hour fair value gap here. Low key, a 1 minute uni. I mean, a 1 hour uni breaker. Fair value gap overlapping the breaker. I just gotta see a little bit more, man. I've been burned the past couple of days just taking like the first thing I see, so I'm trying to not have that happen anymore. A little baby SMT right there. We get a BPR coming up out of here. I'll give it a shot, y'all. And I'm using 2 contracts today. As long as the stop loss ain't ridiculous. But I'm using 2 contracts today. I'm kind of over this particular combine, bro. Kind of over it. I've been in this way too long. Most of it has been because of my own decisions and, failures. So, I'm kind of over it, bro. I'm not going to lie to y'all. What will we be looking like if we take this right here? I'm going to put my stop below the fair value gap candle, bro. Maybe slightly under. Let me delete this. We're going for it all today, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to pull the trigger on this. As long as this candle doesn't close weird. Like, don't close like that. Yeah, close like that. No. That's like an in the middle close. I might do it. Screw it. We're in. Alright. Stop loss slightly below this fair value gap candle. Can we get a winner today? Risking about 15 points. So $600. Reasons for the trade, tapping into a 1 hour. We're about to go break even already. Now, these are the trades I need to see. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, come on. Hang on. My bad. My bad for gassing you up. Do what you're going to do. This is the break even right here, y'all. Yay, guys. We've ended the losing streak. W's. Losing streak over. This is a winning trade in my book. That's TP1 right there. I'm trying to hold a little bit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. 28.75. Let's see if we can get... Oh, don't do that. That wouldn't be very nice. Don't do that. Don't come back and stop us immediately after hitting the first TP. Don't do that. Get out of here. Go. Bruh. Alright, y'all. It's short-lived. Stop loss incoming in profit. We just got stopped at break even, bruh. Immediately. So we hit the first TP immediately. Got stopped at break even immediately. Alright. Well, that was fun. Oh my god, it's still SMT, bro. Are we just on the wrong side of the market, bro? 26. Oh my God, look at that. Let me delete this. I should have known better that it wasn't just gonna shoot up. Let me go ahead and send this in the Discord. Break even. It's early in the day still, so I'll look for one more little setup. Nah, we can't say losing streak ended yet. I gotta end the day. Break even or better. Reasons for the trade. Tapping into a 1 hour FVG. BPR. But things like that is what I'm talking about, though. What I'm saying, like, I gotta really do some thinking, man, because I mean I was up what? Let's see. TP1 was here, so that was $1,000 TP. Could I have taken the 1,000? Sure. Things I gotta think about. I wish it would have went to the moon. This SMT is pissing me off. I ain't gonna lie. Just bearish SMT all over the place. Between these highs and between these highs, it's like, bro, we're gonna sell off. Let me know. Okay, if we are selling off, what's the next draw? Has to be here, but I would have to fade the 1 hour. But then again, in fading the 1 hour, I'm in line with the this right here would have been a great entry. Oh, that would be why we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap. I did not see that. A 15-minute FVG, low key a uni too. Dang. Alright, let me delete this. I don't like too much crap on my charge, bro. It's low key 15-minute uni. This is your breaker. Sweep of liquidity. Fair value gap overlap in the breaker. stop loss wasn't even that crazy for real. I still want to be bullish though, low key. SMT at these lows. I am willing to take one more since the first one was a break-even trade. Look at the bopper gold. Come on, give us something good. If not, by the way, I'm off at 11 today, guys. I gotta do something. I gotta be somewhere at 12, so I am off at 11 on the dot. So if I don't get nothing in the next 34 minutes, it's over. And again, just keep in mind, I will not be streaming on Friday for sure. Thursday is a maybe, depending on what time I decide to leave. But gonna be in Orlando Thursday through Sunday, so no stream Friday. It'd be the one NFP Friday I don't trade. It's not because I don't trade NFP. I do trade NFP. There's nothing wrong with NFP Friday in my opinion. But I'm just not going to be able to. This S&T is about to be gone. And it's gone. All right. Sheesh. That uni just worked out beautifully. I'm sorry I wasn't looking for you, uni. You just been gone for so long. I can't wait for you. Dang, bro, it's just so hard to like flip your bias entirely. Like once you take an L, to then be like, all right, I'm about to sell right here. But it's like it was like that yesterday. I took an L. The candle that stopped me out was like a displacement candle like this, and then the reverse would have worked out beautifully. That's just crazy, bro. When we be taking trades, bro, very rarely do they ever just tap into the zone and go. Like this is a beautiful entry. Like this is how I want all my trades to be. Swept a low inside the 1 hour fair value gap. If we displace one more time higher, I may give it one more shot. Hmm. What's up, Francisco? I'm doing good, man. How are you? Missed one break even trade so far, which is right here. It looked amazing to start off, then immediately came and stopped us at break even. Unfortunate work right there. But if we can just displace, bro. Displace higher one more time. I'll give along one more shot. 1 hour order block. Yeah, one more, man. Just 1 hour order block, 1 hour fair value gap. If I don't get it, I don't get it. But I would love to get it. It's looking like I'm not going to get it, though. goodness. Maybe we are bearish. My God. Should have took this 15-minute uni up here. I should have known. I just don't know if I would have, like, even if I would have saw that uni knowing that we were at a 1 hour fair value gap, I'm not sure I would have, like, faded the 1 hour. It's not looking good for longs, I'll tell you that. They may just want to take Asia's low. And if that's the case, your boy is out the game. I'll take my little break-even trade, my little $91, and call it a day. Yeah, so y'all can see it, $91 total P&L. Yikes, bro. Yikes. Yeah, y'all, it's looking like they want to go lower, which is unfortunate. If they are going lower, then this should hold, but I'm not going to take that. Delete that too. Switching to futures, I would say choose the right broker for you. Some brokers require a higher initial balance than others, or a higher deposit, than others. As far as the symbols go, obviously you got NQ, which is the NASDAQ, ES, which is the S&P. If you still want to get a little bit of Forex, you can. There are some Forex futures. I just don't really like them, but 6E is like your EU, your Euro USD. 6J is like your USD JPY. 6B is your GU, right? I think 6A is AU. Yeah, and then 6A is your AU. But with futures as well, since the leverage isn't as high as Forex, you're definitely going to need some more capital. So I don't know your financial situation, but you may have to go the funded route because you're not going to get the 500 to 1 leverage that you get in Forex. So, yeah, man. Other than that, bro, you just got to learn the new jargon. It's contracts versus lot sizes, ticks versus pips. I got a whole video going over some of the basics, some of the basic differences between Forex and futures if you want to watch that, bro. Yeah. Yeah, because I got a guy in the Discord. He used to swing trade futures, but he can't swing trade. I'm not futures. He used to swing trade Forex, but he can't swing trade futures anymore because he doesn't have the capital necessary and he doesn't have that leverage anymore to really be able to swing trade trading futures. So you gotta have a lot of money. Like just to use one contract on NQ, the mini, you would have to have $2,000, right? And that's just the basic, just to get in. And even if and you can't just have $2,000 in it, because the moment your account goes below $2,000, they're immediately taking you out of the trade. So you gotta have more than 2,000 to trade with one contract. Oh goodness, we can low key just combine these two. Let's see if we start respecting some bullish PD arrays. Like, let's see if this starts to hold. If it even comes back into it. Got 19 minutes. All right, let's see if this holds. If we start respecting like some bullish PD arrays, I'll give along one more attempt. It's not looking good. Ladies and gentlemen, see, all you gotta do is look away. All you gotta do is look away and it might start doing something. Nah, the blue zone is a bullish fair value gap. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna start respecting some bullish PD arrays. Oh yeah. If it breaks it to the downside, then yeah. It's an inverse, yeah. I just don't want to sell today. I mean, I would have been open to it like up here. But if we didn't tap into this 1 hour fair value gap and I saw that, 15-minute uni, I probably would have took that. But because we had already tapped into a higher time frame PD array, I didn't really want to trade against it. Might just do the same thing down here. If we can get a BPR, like if this candle can displace higher, and we get a BPR, I might give along one more shot. One more shot. One more try. There's nothing down here for it to come back for. I'll give it one more try. Maybe. ES just traded into his 1 hour fair value gap. It's looking like it's not even going to try to give us that. We ain't going to get the BPR, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, it's going to do my favorite, the super small fair value gap. I love those. Let's go to the 2 minute. Ugh, but the 2 minute needs. I wonder if people think I blocked him on Instagram just because I deactivated it. Wowza, look at that. And watch it do something stupid like still close inside this bear's cap, so still low key respecting it. This. Oh man. Just hit this 5 minute FVG here. Yep, not taking that. The macro is our last hope. I'm gonna say if we inverse all these bullish gaps, we're probably just gonna go to the previous weekly low first. We might have to take our break even and run, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what this first couple of minutes of the macro does. But I'm off of here in 10 minutes. Just tap into that 1 minute fair value app. Let me delete this. I feel like I got way too much clutter on my chart, bro. Let me delete that too. The macro is macroing. Oh, wait. Do I trust the macro? Macro 3 days in a row. Oh, look at that. Do I trust it 3 days in a row? Well, never mind. The bullish gap I was thinking about using is gone. Come on, macro. Oh, man. Okay, what's up, man? I think I'm about to just walk away with my little break-even trade. Yeah, y'all. I'm not sure if I'm going to take something else. I said I do got to be off here at 11. I got somewhere to be at 12. Did we already do that? Talking about Asia. Oh, I'm assuming you're talking about Asia. We could. I mean, um, kind of was hoping we didn't. Um, but we could. I mean, we still got that higher time frame SMT at these highs, so we could very well be trading lower. His ES had already traded into like this daily fair value gap, like beautifully. And NQ hasn't. So God bless you too, man. I think I'm good, y'all. I think I'm good. I don't want to take anything. This trade started out amazing, bro. We were literally like up $1,000, and I mean, as y'all can see, in 2 minutes, and then immediately crushed our dreams. So I think I'm good. Tomorrow will be the last stream of the week. Again, I'm not streaming Thursday, not streaming Friday. I'm gonna be in Orlando, but I will be back next Tuesday because I do not trade Mondays anymore. Really, not even just Monday. Just I don't trade the first trading day of the week anymore. So whether that be a Monday, a Tuesday, or Wednesday, depending on the holiday, I'm just not trading the first day of the week anymore. Just because, after research, it has literally been my worst day. Like the first trading day of the week has been my worst day for like the past year and a half, 2 years. And I mean, earlier this year I was thinking about cutting Mondays. And the fact that I started thinking about it again, yesterday is like, bruh, it's time to stop thinking about it. It's time to just go ahead and do it. So I'm no longer trading the first trading day of the week. Most of the time it's going to be Monday. Mondays, doors, Wednesday. Yeah. I don't know what it is, man. Me and Monday just don't connect. Or, first trading day of the week. Me and the first trading day of the week just don't connect. So, really, I'm just trying to figure out what's going to get me over the hump, right? From break even to profitable, I'm just trying different things, trying to figure out, okay, what can I do to get to the next, stepping stone. There were some things I had to do to switch from what to get from unprofitable to break even. Now I know some things I got to do to get from, break even to profitable. So I'm just going to be trying things until I figure it out. I already know. You guys are welcome, bro. Any day I say I'm not going to trade, that's when the best setups happen. So you guys are welcome. Y'all go ahead and go crazy on Monday. I already don't trade PM sessions, so y'all are welcome on that too. I'm sure PM will throw something nice. But yeah, we're going to see like a 300-point uni on Monday, and I'm going to be sick. But yeah, man, that's all I got, y'all. I got to go. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow, and let's see if we can make some bread tomorrow. But I guess we can say losing streak ended today. Break even trade, losing streak ended. Made me a whopping $91 today, guys. And as you guys can see, this account is in shambles right now. We got to get it together. Can't go on a losing streak when you're trying to pass an account, bro. Literally cannot, bro. And not a 3-day losing streak. And really a 2-week losing streak if we're just going to go by like the weekly ending balance, right? Last week was a losing week, and the week before then was a losing week. You can't be having no losing streaks or losing week streaks when you're trying to pass an account. So we're in shambles right now, but we're gonna try to get the account back. You know, we're gonna try to get it back up. But that's all I got, y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, ready to make $1 million. And good luck to you guys that are still trading, man. I'm out of here.